my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Huge mahalo nui goes out to all of you who are actually subscribing to the channel. I know it means a lot to click on that red subscribe button and commit to viewing this content, so I really appreciate that. For those of you here for the first time, thank you so much for stumbling upon my channel. Here we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book, and it's a great resource for Hawaii music if you're wanting to get into Hawaii music, wanting to learn Hawaii music. It doesn't have any notation or tablature in this book, so that's why I'm here, is to kind of guide you along all of the little nuances of the songs. This week we're tackling a great song, fun song. I actually learned it this week. I hadn't played this song before. A song called Hanohano Hanalei by the great Alfred Alohikea. Kind of like a trilogy for the last couple of songs that we did. We did Aoya, we did Ka'uloku, and now we're doing this song, Hanohano Hanalei. The common thing between all of these songs is that they have a great writing style, a writing style that was prevalent in the 20s, 30s, where the vocal melody or the melody of the song just keeps changing every couple of lines. So it's a really great, fun kind of a writing style, and it really makes learning a song relatively easy, because what it's doing is it's assigning a unique vocal melody to each part of the song, so your brain just kind of sticks to that portion of the song. So I'm really fond of this writing style, and I wish it would come back. Like I mentioned earlier, the song is written by the great Alfred Alohikea, a great prolific Hawaiian songwriter. He's written many of my favorite Hawaiian songs. And let's just go ahead and dive right into the song. This song, I'm actually going to transpose the key. In the He Mele Aloha book, it's in the key of G. I'm actually going to transpose it to the key of C. And so, you know, you can make little pencil notes above your He Mele Aloha book, or if you're just following along in the YouTube version, you're in luck, because I'm going to include the chords right up here, okay? Chords are going to be C, G7, C7, F, E7, A7, and D7. Okay, and like we did before, I'm going to say the words line by line. It doesn't have a traditional verse-chorus format, so I'm going to say it line by line. We're going to tackle each line at a time. So the strum is just going to be a simple up and down. And try to place a little bit more emphasis on that second beat, or second and fourth beats actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and dive right into this song, okay? First line is Hanohano Hanalei I Ka'ua Nui. Hanohano Hanalei I Ka'ua Nui, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hanohano Hanalei I Ka'ua Nui. Great. Okay, second line. Ipakika kahilimu o manu a kepa. Okay, and be sure to keep an eye out for that okina. Okina is like a glottal stop right before your vowel, and you just place a little bit more of an accent right before that, okay? Ipakika kahilimu o manu a kepa. 1, 2, 3. Ipakika kahilimu o manu a kepa. All right, great. I laila ho'iau, I ike I ho'ai. Okay? I laila ho'iau, I ike I ho'ai. I laila ho'iau, I ike I ho'ai. Great, okay. Next line. I kahana hui, koni koni I ka'ili. Okay, it's a little bit of a scrunch together part right there. Koni koni I ka'ili, okay? I kahana hui, koni koni I ka'ili. All right. Aloha kahione o pua rose. Aloha kahione o pua rose. Okay? I ka ho'ope, ia e ka huna kai. Okay? I ka ho'ope, ia e ka huna kai. I ka ho'ope, ia e ka huna kai. E kahi ho'iau, a ike I ka nani, okay? E kahi ho'iau, a ike I ka nani. Hanohano Hanalei I Ka'ua Nui, okay? Hanohano Hanalei right, good job. We made it all the way through the end. Now, you know how we do it at this channel. We're gonna go ahead and play it all the way through, no stopping. And you know what I'm gonna do just for fun? I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit, okay? And for the ending, let's just go ahead and just do a C to G7 C. Okay, just keep it simple. And we just for the vamp, let's just go ahead and do D7, Hawaiian D7, okay, like this. G7 and C. Threw you a curveball there with a tag of 3 times at the ending, but congratulations, you guys made it to the end. Thank you so much for continuing to follow me on this channel. Once again, if you want to know more information, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. You can find all kinds of information about me there, where I'm playing next, all of my live events, all of my workshops, my private lessons. I do teach private lessons on Zoom, so be sure to go ahead and find out more information about that. Exciting news, I am launching a couple of cool new products, some t-shirts and some hoodies that are also going to be on my website, and I'll be sure to link it in the description below. Most importantly, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Don't be afraid to make a comment down below, maybe a future song that you want to tackle in the He Mele Aloha book. I do plan on doing more contest giveaways in the future, so please stay tuned. Hit the notifications bell if you want to be notified when I upload these videos. I'm trying to do them every week, so be sure to leave a comment of encouragement to make sure that you guys are even seeing these. I'm really hoping that the hope is to really inspire you to pick up the ukulele and learn Hawaiian music, and I hope that I'm achieving that. See you guys on the next one. Ahuiho and malama pono.